Kia ora koutou, nau mai, hoki mai, ki te whānau, te toko toru o mātou e mihi ana. Ko te rā mere, te rā tuarima o te wiki, WAIATA KIINAKI. And WAIATA KIINAKI means not just any waiata. It's like fish and chips, and you put the kiinaki on, might be sauce. But not me, Kairi, he put sauce on his eggs. No, just be cheeky again, because he told me, be cheeky, I like it. Kia ora koutou, but some people like sauce on their eggs. But that is the kiinaki and the condiment. When you put these relish on your things, it's the same as this. Someone does a speech, someone does a speech this week, they use Kiiwaha, they use narratives, Whakataukii, and then you sing a waiata to support it. A WAIATA KIINAKI. And our WAIATA KIINAKI relevant to this week's mahi, and especially in relation to our last Whakataukii, is about, even though sometimes we stand alone, but we stand united in our mind, and I like to think that's what's going on with this waiata. And the waiata is e tū kahika te. So let's just take a rākau whānau, take a rākau and hold it up. And we're telling this rākau to stand there. Stand there. E tū kahika te. E tū kahika te. And the kahika te whānau, the kahika te tree, its habits were, it grew very tall. It wasn't so wide, it grew about 1 metre wide. It was flexible. So when the wind blew, it wouldn't snap. So they used them in the old days for masts on sailing ships. So let's just say that again, e tū. E tū kahika te. But then as we bring them together, whānau, hei whakapai ururoa. Let's do that again. Hei whakapai ururoa. And what we're saying there is, ururoa in this context could mean a grove of trees. So we stand united. Hei whakapai ururoa. Kapai korua. So from the top, e tū. E tū kahika te. Hei whakapai ururoa. And when the wind blows, we can all go together and support each other. Awhi mai, awhi atu. Tātou, tātou e. Kapai? E tū. E tū kahika te. Hei whakapai ururoa. Awhi mai, awhi atu. Tātou, tātou e. Ka pai, you guys. I'll see you fellas in the forest. Ka pai koutou. But also maybe in narrative support of people, you can encourage an individual to stand there, to stand, oh brother or sister, stand there in the forest of mankind, and stand there even though you're alone, we stand united. And just for that whānau, the kahika te used to stay close to the swamps, and so they were exposed to the winds. So that's why they came close together, and they intertwined all their root systems to give them a good solid foundation. So that's a bit of a kōrero about our waiata. And close one eye and the tune goes sort of goes like this. E tū kahika te hei whakapai ururoa. Awhi mai, awhi atu. Tātou, tātou e. E tū kahika te. Hei whakapai ururoa. Awhi mai, awhi atu. Tātou, tātou e. Kapai, we'll sing it with you now. E tū kahika te. Hei whakapai ururoa. Awhi mai, awhi atu. Tātou, tātou e. Whānau, we're going to finish just testing the peanut here. Our Whakataukii yesterday, what was it? It's a bit relative to this waiata. And all our mahi we've done all this week, Whānau, ngā mihi nui ki a tātou katoa, e hara. E hara taku toa I te toa taki tahi. E ngari he toa taki tiri. Ka pai one more. E hara taku toa I te toa taki tahi. E ngari he toa taki tiri. Ka pai kōrua, ka pai kōrua. Thank you, tēnā kōrua, tēnā rawatu kōrua. Thank you for your support this evening and all this week for our clips for the whānau. Hope you enjoyed them, whānau. I'll see you tomorrow for whakarauira, rāhoroi, Saturday, rest and recovery, and have a look at the PDFs and ebooks, and we'll catch you out there. And on the live, Kiimai live on Rātapu Sunday at 8 p.m. E rongo whakairia ki ronga kia tīna.
Tīna.
Haumi e hui e.
Tai ki e.
Ka wai kōrua.